Making money from YouTube used to be as simple as uploading great content, garnering millions of views, and earning a share of advertising revenue. Now, content creators have access to multiple ways to monetize their content. In addition to advertising, this can include corporate sponsorships from a major brand, fan funding, or merchandise sales. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our channel for more content and press the bell icon to get notifications of new videos. Google Ads. The first step to making money on YouTube is to join the YouTube Partner Program. Partnership gives content creators access to special tools, such as the ability to monetize their videos via Google AdSense. To qualify, content creators must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of accumulated watch time over the prior 12-month period. YouTube monetizes videos via pre-roll, display, and other advertising formats. Advertisers pay based on clicks and impressions. YouTube gives the content creator 55% of this revenue and takes 45% for itself. Content creators must adhere to advertising guidelines. Content that contains foul language, adult content, violence, and other subjects will not have ads placed against them. This can include discussion of sensitive news events. Sell kid-friendly merchandise to your YouTube audience. As a made-for-kids channel, you can increase your revenue with brand-specific merchandise. Plenty of YouTubers are doing that right now, and they're selling a range of products such as clothing, toys, mugs, and workout equipment. Unfortunately, made-for-kids creators aren't allowed to display a carousel of products underneath their videos. This is one of the new rules YouTube is enforcing to comply with the COPPA Act. To work around this, direct your loyal viewers to an off-platform e-commerce site that houses all your products. There are plenty to choose from once you've created your wonderful made-for-kids store. Be loud and proud about it. You can start by adding the store link to video descriptions, but don't stop there. Mention it verbally in your videos and add screenshots that show what the store looks like, what viewers can buy, and the website URL. Also, don't forget to mention the value of your products. Plenty of wide-eyed children may want to play with your toys, games, and other merch, but in the end, it's the parents you'll have to convince. They hold all the money, so make the purchasing decision easy for them by spelling out the benefits. As you encourage viewers to leave YouTube and view your digital store, watch time on your channel may decrease. If that happens to you, don't worry, just be a tad more strategic with your in-video marketing. You can always wait until the end of a video to mention your digital store and keep viewers watching. I hope you all liked it. If you liked this video, then do not forget to like and share it with your friends and family. Please click on like and subscribe to the channel for more content.